Hello, my name is Zoltan Garib and I will show you in this video how to install CommentClient app into your GoHighLevel. So in previous videos I showed you the exact scopes that you need. In this video I will show you only the installation process. So in another video I will talk about how to use it actually, but in this video I will only show you the installation. So make sure that you are in the right sub account and click install. First, then you have to read through all the scopes and allow install. There is always a forever free plan, so choose that one and click confirm. Then you have to connect your YouTube channel, so click this button and it will automatically redirect you. Choose the right account, also the right YouTube channel. Here always you have to click continue until the app is not verified by YouTube, and it takes under the first 100 test users. So you are very early. Until then you have to click this continue and continue again. Wonderful. After a few seconds it was all your videos from your YouTube channel, and you can, for example, I choose this one to track, automatically track this, and then the next phase you have to choose the keyword. For example, in this video I will choose guide and landing. This part is automatically pulled in from your GoHighLevel, so it means that when someone leaves the comment guide, then this landing page is pulled from your GoHighLevel. Wonderful. Now it's tracking, and this is the dashboard. Now I will show you how to use it on YouTube. This is the video which we tracked, and if you scroll down you will see exactly that in the video I said comment the guide below and I will send you the guide. So let's say someone watches your video, he really enjoys it, and he comments, give me the guide. As soon as he clicks the comment, it takes about 5 minutes until the comment shows up in your GoHighLevel account. So it means that you don't have to click through and open YouTube. We can stay within your GoHighLevel and it will automatically show up in your dashboard. And this is our dashboard where you can see our comment arrived. So the commenters increased one by one, and check approval queue. If you click on this, you can see all the comments. For example, this is what we left on YouTube. So give it the guide, and it automatically put in the comment and it drafted a response. So I want to show you that you can leave a comment manually. To see you. Wonderful. So after you edit the comment manually, by the way, this is your branded link and also tagged uniquely. So it means that you can track back which YouTube video and which comment exactly bring you results. You not just have to be, not just want to be famous, you want to be effective, and I wanted to provide a tool that gives you authenticity, so you know that okay, you don't have to go viral, you have to know that okay, this video brings me results. And by the way, when you click send, this will change very soon, and it will from your GoHighLevel dashboard send to YouTube. So it means that you will see this comment on YouTube, and this pending approval is 0. So, but I have to mention that it never posts without your approval. So it's not automatic, it's absolutely YouTube safe. And as you might see, the commenter is one, but in this case also the reply sent is one. So let's check on YouTube, and now I hit refresh. This was our original comment. Wonderful. Now I see not just the comment but also the response from my previous GoHighLevel, and here I want to show you that yes, this editing show up in the comment, and then when you click the link, it pulled in from your GoHighLevel sub account, and now I will write in my details, but it's very important that it is your landing page so you can track the entire journey. Yes, and now I want to show you the end result of this. So as you must see, the leads increased by 1, and also you can see all the details under contact. So it means that the lead's name and also all the details with what he used for the opt-in is already updated, and also in your conversation tab where you already handle all your communications, for example Instagram and emails and SMS, then you will see all the comments the client left and also the response you sent. So this is the way how you can track the YouTube comments, and you can connect every single video, every single comment with the right opt-in, and later when it brings in revenue, so when he makes a purchase on your GoHighLevel, it also shows up here. So thanks for watching this video, and if you want to try it in action, then please leave the guide below and I will send you a link and you can try it in action. See you in the next